Local writer Gabby Brown has been putting her words down on paper since she was a little girl.
My grandma would always buy me little notebooks and would always ask me to write stories for her, and I always just liked getting to put my imagination into things.
After graduating from high school, Brown took her passion to college to continue writing.
I'm an English major, so writing is definitely something I do. So I take a lot of English classes that vary from creative writing to literature classes and whatnot. So I have to write about 5 papers a week, and sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's not.
The Odyssey Online is the website who has published her most recent work.
It's mostly for younger college students, and they have over 12,000 writers and over 1,000 teams. So for the college I go to, the Massachusetts College of Liberal Arts, they have their own team of 12 writers. We can write whatever we want, and we just have to write once a week, and you have to post it on as much social media as you can to get it out there.
Inspiration for Brown's writing comes from her own personal experiences.
Most of the things I write about I've dealt with or have experienced myself. So the struggling with loss, I've lost a friend, a couple friends, so I wanted to write a little bit about that. And with all my feminist articles, I'm a proud feminist, so I really like to write about a lot of women's issues.
Her words have been inspiring others and have been shared on social media.
People I don't even know will comment on it, and it's just a really nice experience. It's really nice to just interact with all these different new kinds of people.
If you would like to pursue a career in writing or English, here's some advice.
There's so many things you can do with it, and it's really easy to get involved with stuff like this at your school. And I think if people have an interest in just reading or writing, they should definitely take some classes and try to pursue anything they can.
To read Gabby Brown's articles, visit theodysseyonline.com.